Personal finance crash course, digital marketing crash course, social media marketing. Introduction. In the vast digital landscape, social media shines. A platform connecting people with shared interests and signs. To harness its power and reach the masses. A crash course in social media marketing, let's amass. Chapter 1. Understanding social media marketing. Social media, a hub of communication and trends. Where businesses and brands can make amends. Engaging with the audience, building connections. Social media marketing, a powerful intersection. Example story. The influencer's journey. Emma, a fashion enthusiast with a flair, used social media marketing to share. With captivating posts and engaging content, she built a loyal following, her brand's Ascent. Chapter 2. Creating a social media strategy. To navigate the social media realm with precision. A strategy is key to make a lasting impression. Identify goals, target audience, and brand voice. Craft a strategy that helps you make the right choice. Example story. The startup success. Adam, an entrepreneur with a brilliant idea, used social media to make his startup appear. Through strategic campaigns and captivating visuals, he gained traction and built his business Residuals. Chapter 3. Content creation and curation. In the sea of social media, content reigns supreme. Creating and curating, fulfilling the dream. Compelling visuals, informative posts. Content that engages, the audience boasts. Example story. The travel enthusiast's adventure. Sarah, a travel blogger with a passion for the unknown, used social media to share the places she's grown. With breathtaking photos and captivating stories, she inspired others to embark on their own glories. Chapter 4. Engaging with the audience. Social media is a two-way street. Engaging with the audience, making connections sweet. Responding to comments, messages, and mentions. Building relationships, fostering positive intentions. Example story. The customer-centric brand. James, a business owner with a customer-centric drive, used social media to make his customers thrive. By actively listening and responding to their needs, he built brand loyalty, exceeding all creeds. Top 12 social media marketing techniques. 1. Influencer marketing. 2. Hashtag campaigns. 3. User-generated content. 4. Live video streaming. 5. Social media advertising. 6. Contests and giveaways. 7. Social media influencer takeovers. 8. Storytelling through visuals. 9. Social listening and monitoring. 10. Community building. 11. Cross-platform promotion. 12. Analytics and data tracking. Summarizing the writing. Social media marketing, a force to be reckoned. Engaging the audience, strategies well beckoned. From understanding the platforms to creating captivating content, we explore the world of social media marketing. Contentment. Poem. In the realm of likes, shares, and tweets, social media marketing competes. From creating strategies to engaging the crowd. A crash course in social media marketing, we're endowed. Storytelling through visuals, captivating and bold. Hashtag campaigns, stories to be told. User-generated content, the customer's voice. Live video streaming, a moment's choice. Influencer marketing, the power of influence. Contests and giveaways, creating suspense. Cross-platform promotion, reaching far and wide. Analytics and data tracking, a marketer's guide. Building communities, fostering connections strong. Social listening and monitoring, where we belong. Social media advertising, a targeted approach. Community takeovers, letting others encroach. Through captivating stories and engaging content, we navigate the social media world, intent. In this crash course, we've learned and explored social media marketing's power, forever adored. Song. Verse 1. In the realm of social media, where connections thrive. Marketing through platforms, to help us strive. Crafting strategies, capturing attention's sway. Let's dive into social media marketing, today. Chorus. Oh, the power of social media, it's true. Reaching audiences, old and new. Hashtags, influencers, and content that shines. A world of social media marketing, so fine. Verse 2. Creating captivating visuals, stories to be told. User-generated content, a tale to unfold. Live video streaming, in the moment we share. Social media advertising, targeted and fair. Chorus. Oh, the power of social media, it's true. Reaching audiences, old and new. Hashtags, influencers, and content that shines. A world of social media marketing, so fine. Bridge. From contests and giveaways, excitement in the air. Cross-platform promotion, reaching everywhere. Analytics and data, guiding our way. Building communities, connections here to stay. Verse 3. Listening to the crowd, their voices so clear. Monitoring the trends, keeping our strategy near. Social media takeovers, new perspectives shine. A world of social media marketing, divine. Chorus. Oh, the power of social media, it's true. Reaching audiences, old and new. Hashtags, influencers, and content that shines. A world of social media marketing, so fine. Outro. With this crash course, we've learned and grown. Social media marketing's power, we've shown. With knowledge and strategy, we take flight. Navigating the social media realm, shining bright. ******. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.